This video will show you how to replace a faulty control panel circuit board. For this replacement, you will need the following tools: Phillips head screwdriver, Before starting, be sure the unit is powered off and unplugged. Unscrew the screws, as shown, then remove the back panel of the stove. Remove the screws connecting the top of the stove, as shown, and remove the top. Unplug the thermostat sensor from the main circuit board. Then, using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws holding the flame screen assembly to the insert frame. Remove the assembly. Unscrew the screws attaching the log set to the stove. Remove the log set. Unscrew the screws holding the metal shroud to the insert as shown. Remove the shroud. Unscrew the screws holding the control panel assembly bracket to the insert. Pull the bracket out, turn the bracket around, and pull off the heat adjustment knob. Unscrew the screws holding the control panel circuit board to the bracket. Remove the board. Reinstall the screws holding the new circuit board assembly to the bracket as shown. Set the assembled bracket back into the stove and reinsert the screws. Set the metal shroud back into the stove and reinsert the screws as shown. Reinstall the log set as shown. Reinstall the flame screen assembly. Plug the thermostat sensor cable back into the main circuit board. Reinstall the top. Reattach the back panel as shown. Plug in the stove, turn the unit on, and test the functions to make sure everything is working properly.